It took me 10 years to learn this, but I will teach it to you in few minutes. 1. Life waits for nobody. Get up every day and keep pushing through no matter what. 2. Make sure you take good care of yourself if something happens to you. The world will move on and you will fall behind. 3. If you don't work to build your dream life, someone will hire you to build theirs. 4. Work in silence. Celebrate in private. People love to ruin things. 5. Don't regret your past. Just learn from it and move on. 6. No one cares. Work harder to become better each day. 7. Ignore any advice from anyone who does live the life you want to live. 8. Rule over your emotions. A calm mind can handle any situation. 9. If you find someone better than you, don't hate. Ask them for advice and cooperate with them. 10. You're truly at peace with yourself when you mind your own business.